Well, greetings everybody. I'm making this video to answer a question that I just saw on the discussion board. And the question goes like this. It was about either this one or one a lot like this. And the way I would phrase the question is, if we have a completed frequency distribution, which is what we're looking at here, okay? This one is complete, it's already made, and then we're trying to figure out some details about it, such as the class width. Okay, so we have a completed frequency distribution. Looking at the numbers, what is the class width? Now, the short answer is, when you look at the classes, so the first class is 32 to 34. Then the next one is 35 to 37, and so on. Okay, when you look at those classes, the way that the class width factors into them is you take 32 and you add the class width, and that's how you get 35. And you take 35 and you add the class width and you get 38. You get the idea? We can keep going. You take 38 and you add the class width and you get 41. That's how the class width factors into this finished frequency distribution. So looking at it, you might say, well, the class width must be 3, and you'd be right, because 32 plus 35, or 32 plus 3 is 35, 35 plus 3 is 38, 38 plus 3 is 41, all the way through this, okay? If you want to formalize that a little bit more, you could say, well, you take 32, you add the class width, and you get 35, and then you can solve for the class width by subtracting the 32. 35 minus 32 is 3. So you can get it that way too. So the class width is 3. That's how you find the class width. Now, I think in order to fully understand that, you would need to have seen the other videos I've posted about how to make a frequency distribution from scratch. Okay, so there's a few videos about that here under the videos for assignment 1.1 on Canvas. But what you got here is the quick answer for how you take something like this, with the numbers being what they are, and find the class width. I'll encourage you though to look at these in more detail as you go through the assignment.